beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my realistic people, today I have another one to share with us. What happened to one of our brother in Imo State is so shocking. Hey, my goodness. Those are brothers that normally says yam along the line, along the road. There is something that happened to them through this Fulani Hersm. What they did to them is so alarming. You won't believe it. I just wanted to listen to him narrating the story by himself, and I'll be right back.
I'm sorry, I'm going to ask you a question. I need to understand how. Was it when you fell that they left?
No, they didn't leave. I had to find my way out. Yes. Because all they were like saying is that they should kill me in Hausa language, which I do understand very well. That I'm alone, so no matter what, they should try and kill me. So when I could just hit one and the space opened, now I understood that if I should stay there, maybe I might get weak through my strength, because I was really bleeding from this my hand, this my vein, and the deep cut of the axe they used. So I had to just take off. So I ran and hid, and then around 10-15 minutes they now went back into Artisan and then mobilized another Fulani boys, Hausa boys again. They brought them. They stayed at that place. That place we do say for more than 30 minutes. They were there. They didn't run.
For real?
Packing yams, putting into their keke, money that was there, they packed it. And just like that, packed valuable things, packed everything. Like my own yams, about 210. He came there, he saw them yesterday.
Yeah.
They packed everything because they were big. Packed everything and left it there.
Oh my God. Well, thank God for life. That's all I can say. They didn't run.
They didn't run. They said that they should kill me. And they should kill me. But you know, being a man, I just thought I wasn't going to die easy like that for them. I fought very well, but you can't compare yourself. You can imagine having a stick in the midst of six people who have been using knives for more than 20 years. I had to fight very well, and
Who rescued you?
Nobody came there. Nobody came there. I just say God give me the strength. God gave me the strength, because even when I ran, I was feeling dizzy, but in the process, I was strong. In the process, I was strong. I was strong.
So guys, if Hausa Fulanis can have access to the mega filling station in Enugu, that means there's more to them that the eyes have even seen, because mega is almost town, you know. And for their gods, there's more to come.
And the most surprising thing is that they came back with their other boys, and they were on the main road there. They stood there, blocking the road, chasing the other people in the compound into their houses, so they don't maybe put a call to give anybody information. It was like that. You just saw them, you saw terrorists. In fact, I just thank God I survived. Yes, I thank God I survived it. The knives those boys held, the knives they held, I just believe that the second squad that came there might even have guns. They might have guns too.
Guys, this is John. like I said before, he's my customer. I buy yam from him around the mega filling station area in Enugu. If you know Naira Triangle, exactly where those Bedway guys sell yam. He's one of those people who sell yam. And this morning, he just placed a call across to me that he's heading to the hospital, he's been attacked. I went to see his yam yesterday because he told me he had some, so I haven't finished the one I had. So I went there, see him, see the yams, and said, I will see you today. And today, here he is on the hospital bed, saying that the Hausa guys in the new artisan market came to steal the yams that they sell, which I think you said to me that this is not the first time that they've come.
This is not the first time. This is not the first time at all. They come almost every week.
Wow.
Almost every week. Initially, I used dialogue with them. Sometimes when they come and it appears like that, I'll just like try to let my brothers around that they should let them go with the little yams they took. But in this case, they came in packed quantity. Not like they stole it because they were hungry. They stole it because the yams now are expensive and they were taking them to sell.
Hey.
So how do you look at somebody who is taking your property and you won't talk? You talk and then they go back, mobilize whatever they have, and then bring it around you to start butchering you.
Okay. Seriously, people should share this video. It's not a joke. People should share this video. I've just been in the hospital for almost 6 hours now. Today is Sunday. Just buying here and there. His brother just left and this boy is going to write jam on Tuesday. Just been buying small articles, clothes, detergents, toothpaste, brushes, just name them. Just little items that could help them be here. I hate it when people are in my terrain and then they are victimized, because practically this is victimization from not the indigenes of the state or town, but from outsiders who also came to hustle like these fellas. So seriously, the state government should please look inward. That new artisan area is turning into something else. Not funny. It's turning into something else. Here we have injuries. Thank God he's alive and we're saying it like this. Here, this is a leg injury. This is a vein injury. He was bleeding profusely from this place. This is his hand cut off and we didn't pick the finger. This is his head macheted. So guys, I don't know how you see this, seriously. I really do not know. But in all honesty, it's not fun. Something drastic needs to be done in the state called Enugu. Security-wise, something drastic needs to be done. Here until it gets to the authorities. It's time. Tomorrow. Now it's visitors. Tomorrow it may just be indigents. And that may seriously create a pandemonium, because terrors will not come into your town and you fold your arms and watch them butcher and slaughter you like a piece of nonsense. So please, the state government of Enugu State government, Burus, don't relax, because the time is now. The state is going to deteriorate if you don't do anything before the new government emerges and comes in.
So, materialistic people, can you imagine what is going on right now? People are really passing through a lot. It's just that this particular one, people were able to meet with the victim and they make a video for you to really see or hear about what is happening. A lot happened that nobody will hear about it. A lot happened that they even turn RIP. Nobody cares. Nobody knows about it. A lot. Nobody knows about. If not that, this our brother is close to this our mommy, and he was able to call her to explain things. Do you know a lot of people that will go silent through this means? So I'm just here to give you the update to see exactly what is happening. And at times they will be calling on the federal government. The government should come and do something. We are just hoping for the best. Honestly speaking, we are hoping for the best. And again, a lot of people, they are so scared to say the truth, to say issues the way they are, because you never can tell. So my realistic people, so let me bring this update to you so that you see and you hear for yourself what is happening. Because if I'm just saying it verbally, people may say, oh, progress news, where did this happen? You can see and testify about it now. So my realistic people, please keep on sharing this video, like and subscribe. Thank you so much, and bye bye.